show you the recipe of Sabudana Vada. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipes are some Sabudana which is soaked for water in 3 hours, half a lemon, 3 potatoes which are mashed, some ground nuts, sugar, salt, some curry leaves which are teared apart, some cumin, coriander leaves and chili paste. So let's start. So first I am going to take the Sabudana which are soaked in the water for 3 hours, and now we are going to add some chili paste. You can add according to your taste. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, now salt as per taste, some groundnuts which I have crushed, some coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon cumin, some curry leaves which I tear apart, and 3 mashed potatoes. So we are going to mix them. Also crush the Sago. Now I have mixed it properly. I am going to add half a lemon of lemon juice. Now we are going to mix it again. So the process of making vada is, first take some oil on your hand because these vadas are sticky. Take a small part of this vada and then shape it like a ball and then press it gently. So now my vada is ready. I am going to put it on the plate. You can continue the same procedure on all the vadas. Now I have taken a frying pan and I have heated some oil. Now I am going to put the Sabudana vadas in it. Slowly. And let it cook until they become golden brown. Now my vada is cooked. I am going to remove it from the oil and transfer them to a plate. So now my Sabudana vada is ready. So you can eat it anywhere like snacks or in fast. It is normal served with sweet curd and chutney. So it is very delicious and tasty. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Till that time, bye bye.